Good.
ยกเว้นอันเรียกว่า hyperdrive
Yes. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
hyperdrive เนี่ยเจอกันในดาวดาวฟิว
Good. Airspeed sensor?
เดฟิโอ
Thank you, Nine Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
ขบวนที่ได้นาทีนะ
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. We out. We out. Red 2, Blue 5, we got to clear paths so transport can make the jump. They're all over us. I'm ahead.
We got Red 2 more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm going to try to draw him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from?
แก๊สเนี่ยมันเนี่ย
Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
We're going to friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry. I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resisting scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
เร็วด้วยแก๊สเนี่ย
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
That was awesome.